We'll guide you through how to request a refund on Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gumroad website. Once you're there, log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Library tab at the top menu and click on it. This is where all your purchased products are stored. Find the product for which you want a refund. Click on the product to open the purchase details. On the purchase details page, you should see some options regarding your purchase. Look for the Request Refund button. If you see this button, it usually means that the product is eligible for a refund. Click on Request Refund. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your refund request and perhaps provide a reason for the refund. Fill in the necessary details and then confirm your request. If the Request Refund button is not visible, it might mean that the refund period has expired or the product is non-refundable. In that case, you can still reach out to the product creator directly. Scroll down to the bottom of the purchase details page and look for the creator's contact information. Send them a polite email, explaining your situation and request a refund. Always remember to be courteous and provide any necessary purchase details to help them process your refund quickly. Once you've sent your refund request, keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmation from Gumroad or the seller. Refunds usually take a few days to process, so be patient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.